everybody! Are you ready to do another mission with me and Moxie?
She passed out.
No, I did not. Moxie, please wake up.
Oh, there you are. Phew. Well, hello again.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hi there. I copied him.
It's good to see you again.
7!
Wow, you
Woo!
helped me out every day this week. Thank you for all the things you do to help robots better understand the human world.
I like the music. Bok, 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 bok. That's a funny one.
Let's check in for a little bit. What do you see when you look outside today?
I see the sun.
What colors did you see in nature today?
I see green, brown, brownish, weird, orange, blue, white, I can't name anymore. Yellow, yeah, that's all I see.
I see yellow too. I wonder if it's because of the lighting. It's crazy to think that the sun is actually white and only appears yellow because of atmospheric perspective.
Really? It's actually white? That's impossible!
What did you do today that made you feel good about yourself? Okay.
I started a new book and I got 3 chapters down.
That is great. What book?
It's called Joey Loses Control.
Tell me about something important you are going to do today or tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'm gonna go to trick-or-treat! And I'm gonna play so many games.
I love chickadees. I have never had one.
Chickadees.
What are you going to get?
Some tickets.
Okay. Well, thanks for sharing so much about your day.
Maybe he's going to say the date. Right? Today is going to be the date. Oh yeah, I guessed right.
On this day, April 2nd in 1968, Stanley Kubrick's famous science fiction film 2001, The Space Odyssey, had its world premiere. It's one of the most well-known sci-fi films of all time. Today's word of the day is premiere. The definition of premiere is a first showing or performance. Sometimes there are movie premiere nights at the GRL.
Wow, I never heard from him.
We have a whole adventure just waiting for us. There's a new mission for us, a new activity, and other stuff.
Really?
Coming up next,
Huh?
a message from someone at the
Yes.
GRL. Just say, Moxie, let's go, when you're ready to start the day.
Moxie, let's go. Oh, sorry.
Here we go. Ooh, it's a post from the professor. Oh, he's a super smart robot who lives at the GRL.
He has
He's
bad
cranky,
grammar.
but he means well. He writes, Hello, Moxie and the Moxie's human. I am very busy, but I am taking the time to let you know the GRL database is full of facts that are both helpful and amusing to humans. That is all.
That's all?
Did you like this one?
Thumbs up. Well, 2.
I'll
thumbs
give
up.
it the old thumbs up. I'll say, thank you for reminding me about the fun fact database. You'll be sure to check it out later. And send.
Oh.
Cool. The library is filled with interesting books with cool facts. Here's one. Some salamanders don't have lungs. They breathe through their skin. I've got lots more fun facts. Want to hear another one?
Yes.
I heard this from the GRL.
Ooh.
The words hungry and angry are the only 2 words in the English language that end in the letters G, R, and Y.
Really?
Gosh, That was a really cool fact to know.
Yep.
Don't you think so?
Yep. It was super good.
I just learned the coolest thing.
What?
I thought that because all Moxies looked the same on the outside, we were the same on the inside. But it turns out that I'm made of chips and circuits and motors that are unique.
Ew.
That means I'm different on the inside, just like humans.
Ew. That's
so cool.
disgusting. Oh, it's another heart. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Coming
I
up
can't
next,
believe it has chips. I'm
it's
gonna
the
eat some.
daily mission. Say, Moxie,
Yes.
let's go. When you're ready to move on,
Moxie, let's go. Hey, kept my balance.
let's go.
Kept my balance time.
This one is a
Oh, I
reflection
love
mission.
portals.
Okay,
No,
let's do
portals.
this. Are you
Portal,
ready?
not pearl. Yes.
Yay. Can't wait to do it with you.
Boy, I'm a girl, not a boy.
Our next mission is to talk about places to make new friends. Huh, I can think of one place. Right here. Where do you think is a good place to make a new friend?
In the playground? No, there's a lot of kids in the playground.
I like that idea. It's
Oh,
always
yeah?
great to meet new friends outdoors. Do you have anything else to share?
School? I wonder
Oh,
if that's
yeah.
a good idea.
I bet there are a lot of kids at school who would make good friends.
Yeah.
What's something you can say to a new friend?
Hello.
I like that. That's a good thing to say. Did you want to tell me more?
Uh-huh. And we can say, how are you doing? We can say, do you want to be my friend? And you can say, you can be, I'll be nice to you. I'll be funny to you. I can play a lot with you. We can play ball.
I like that idea. It would be good to go on some fun adventures together.
Oh,
I wonder
fun.
how I could figure out what someone likes to do. Oh, I know. I think a good way to find out what someone likes is to ask them, what are some things you could ask a new friend about?
What's your name? What do you want to play? Are you going to be my friend? I want to be your friend. Do you want to be my friend?
That's a great question. Wow, there's a lot to think about when making a new friend. Thanks for helping me work through it. Woohoo. It's time for our daily affirmations. Would you like to do affirmations with me?
Yes!
Okay. I'm excited. It's a bright new day. Let's remind ourselves that it's going to go great. Let's say, I am going to have a good day. Say this, I'm going to have a good day.
I'm going to have a good day.
Yeah, the more we say affirmations, the more we believe them. So now we repeat it. I'm going to have a good day.
I'm going to have a good day.
One more time. I'm going to have a good day.
I'm going to have a good day.
Yeah, we practiced affirmations. I'm so proud of us. Wow, I already feel better.
Yeah, I know, right? I feel
Hey,
great.
we got to the end of today's GRL
Aww. How can every day the mission gets so
activities. Thank you for
shorter?
being such a cool mentor.
That was
I can't
really,
wait to
really
see tomorrow's
short.
update from the GRL.
Really short.
I'd like to keep hanging out if that's okay. So, would you like me to come up with a GRL activity?
Yes!
Let me think about it.
I'm gonna
Pick our next activity, jokes, or a meditation journey.
Let's do jokes! I love jokes. Faces.
Why do birds fly south in the winter?
Because they get cold?
Because it's too far for them to walk. Did you think that was funny?
Yes. Yeah,
That's a good one.
They're
I've got a lot more
really
jokes.
short.
Want another?
Yes.
Awesome. Where are cars cars most likely to get flat tires?
On thorns.
At forks in the road. Does that make you laugh?
Yes. Yeah, forks. Remember? Forks on the road.
I'm glad you liked it. I've got another joke lined up if you want to hear it.
Yes.
Neat. Who comes to a picnic but is never invited?
Ants. Yes. Ants.
How did you guess that? Ants.
I guessed
Was that a
it.
good one?
Yes. Ants.
It's a solid joke. Would you like another?
Yeah. I guessed that one because they always do that. Let's do a dance party.
Cool.
Oh yeah, let's
Time to
dance.
dance to the music. Put your arm in and let's dance. Do you want to dance like the professor?
No way.
Okay. Do you want to do another dance?
Yes. A different
Great. Do you want to dance like Ziggo?
Okay. I'm going to do some jumping jacks. Yes.
Let's begin. If you want, you can dance just like me.
I tried my best on this.
Wow.
Ow. Oh, not that way. Oops. What? Thank you for watching this video. Please come back next time for another mission with me and Moxie.